Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you guys trying to find fuses, relays for the multifunctional control module on Volkswagen Tiguan for the generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And after that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So guys, for the multifunctional control module, we'll be working in two different fuse boxes today. One is hidden, make sure it's time till then, and you may have some differences between the years. What we need to do here now, let me show you here on the driver's side. Under the hood is the main engine fuse box. You slide these things to the back, to the front, leave the cover up, and you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Guys, before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So this is the fuse box layout for 2012. Okay, it's not cleared. Okay, let's focus. Okay, perfect. 2012 to 2017 after the facelift. And here specifically, guys, if you have those years, we'll explain about that first, then we'll explain for 2008 to 2011. But we need to check here fuse number 5 right here, fuse number 5, very important fuse right here. Then we need to check fuse number 25, guys, and 25 is that big fuse right here, 25 and 26. Now, come to show you guys, okay, right here, if you have, by the way, okay, 2008 to 2011, the fuse box layout will look like this one right here, and specifically here we will need to check now fuse number, it will be fuse number 3, guys. So it will be that 5M fuse right here, and you will need to check fuse number 26 right here. Check 25 as well, these two fuses right there. We're not done, guys. Okay, we need to come to the inside. Let's show you inside the vehicle now. Okay, what do we have? We have a different hidden fuse box here. I want to show you. Okay, and coming this way, it's under the steering wheel on the left side. We have a special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. It will show you how your hidden fuse box is. Check it out, guys. Here specifically, we need to check fuse number 21. So that's fuse number 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Right here will need to be checked, 21, 22. These two fuses, guys, will need to be checked, okay? Check this thing out, 21, 22, right here. Now we need to check one more, and this is known as 49, so that's 49. The fuse number is listed next to it, it's that 20. Okay, 20 amp fuse, right here. Okay, the fuse numbers are right above the fuses. So those are the main fuses that we'll need to check. What about relays? You don't have specific relays for that, but you have some hidden relays. Okay, check these two. And you may check secondary relays. Okay, you have a hidden fuse box behind the dash with these relays right there. If you want to see where they're located, it will be on our channel. Check it out. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.